Okay, with this, you want to take your time. So don't just fly through the motions. With that, you want to stretch yourself out. So push that arm out, kick the back leg, keep your core tight, and squeeze out, hold for 3 seconds, bring it back in again. It's going to activate everything around your core. It's great as a standalone exercise anyway, but absolutely fantastic for those who are struggling with lower back pain and things like that. So get this done at the beginning. You'll really feel the benefit, especially if we're sat around at home a lot.